how to add page numbers to a Canva design or document. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can add page numbers to any Canva design or document automatically. So here you can see that I have this particular presentation right here where I have two slides, or let's say two pages. So this one is the first page, whereas this one is the second page. So let me show you how you can add page numbers to both of these slides or pages. So in order to add the page number to these pages, the first thing that you will need to do is simply select the text tab from the left hand side. So once you will click onto the text tab, you can see these options, and under the dynamic text you can see page numbers. So simply click onto the page numbers and it will open this dialog box towards this position. Now from here you can define the format of the page numbers, and here are three types of format. The first format is the numbers only, so it will only display numbers like 1, 2, and 3. So another option is the page plus number. So it will display something like page 1, page 2, and then the third option is page X of Y. So for example, if there are 10 pages, it will display that this is the first page of the 10th page, the first page of all the 10 pages available. So let us go with the third option only. And then from here you have this option that says show numbers on. So you can choose all of the pages on which you want the page numbers to be present, and you can include them by confirming that there is a tick mark next to them. And if you don't want to include any page number, you can simply uncheck their tick mark. And then once you're done with this, you can click onto this done button, and then you can click onto this apply properties to all pages. Here you can see this message that says properties applied to all pages. Now if we will get our preview, you can see that here is this option that says page 2 of 2, and then here is the another one that says page of 1 of 2. If you want to change their color, you can do so by simply clicking onto this text color by selecting this, and from here you can choose a different color for them if you want. So there are, so these are basically like simple elements, just edits automatically so that you don't have to waste your own time. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.